Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool and now one more time 3D concept art with using Octane render. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a simple plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Plane size I take 2000 centimeter and height same 2000. Yeah. Okay, so guys, second shape I take this time pyramid. Yes, and pyramid up. Guys, size increase double like 400 centimeter, 400 and 400 centimeter, right? Okay, so now guys, I take one more pyramid and go on take here and this one. Guys, I change size. First one I take like 50 and second one, yeah, 200 is good, and third one take 50, right? Okay, so now I take cloner, this one, and guys select this pyramid and make child with cloner. Yes, guys select this cloner and mode I change grid array. Yes, go to up, yeah, and change count made one. Yes, guys, I change also size like 500. Yes, and 500 is good. Yes, it's really good. Okay, so guys, go on here, transform and rotate like this. Take 180 degree. Yes, and go to up. Yeah. Okay, all is good. Now guys, I take one more. So select this cloner and copy. Yes, and guys, this time I take sphere and sphere radius take 15 centimeter. 15. So this one pyramid delete without children and select this sphere and make child with cloner 1. Yes, guys, select this cloner 1 and go to up like this, simple. Yes, right, that's my simple composition. Okay, all is good. So guys, select this one pyramid, first one, and again copy, yeah, and change viewport. Guys, size decrease like 200 is good, all 200. Yes, simple, right? See guys. Okay, so now guys, I apply topo wire. So go on plugin and use topo wire and select this cloner, this one, sphere, and select this one. Yes, and select this pyramid, made one, and make child with topo wire. Yes, so guys, select this topo wire and return hierarchy check. Yes, and distance limit check. Yeah, and guys, also type I change B spline. Yes, and number increase, create smoothness. Yes, guys, also change this one random. Yeah, and go to transform, decrease like minus 200, and thickness I take 0.15. Yes, see, right? Okay, so guys, change also count change more. Yes, right, and more is too much. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, all is good. Now guys, my composition is finished. Now I apply last one, actually cylinder, and cylinder radius I take 1 and height I take 1000. Yes, so go to up. Yes, see guys, that's my sphere, and go to display, select God shading lines. Yeah, guys, that's more better in viewport. So guys, select this cylinder and copy, press Ctrl C and V. Yes, Guys, select this cloner, this one, and copy and same. Select this pyramid and delete and select this, guys, cylinder. Yes, better. See, it's my composition. Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. Now I apply texture. So create new octane material. Yes, and open this material. So double click. Guys, I create material for this one, pyramid, and node editor. Yeah, guys, I apply JS displacement texture. That's my texture. That's my second one, dotted grid texture. That's my simple. And select both, drag and drop in node editor. Right? Okay. So guys, now select this displacement, connect with input, and this input connect with here. And select this displacement, level of detail I take full, amount I take like 15. Yes. And second one, black body emission, texture, and emission. Okay, so guys, select this black body emission, surface brightness check, and double sided also check. And guys, I change color, this one color. So change only temperature. Temperature change like this. Simple. Yes. Yeah, better. Right? Okay. So guys, also change this color. Color I take like gray color. Yes, better. So delete, actually close. Close. Apply on material. Actually apply on this one, pyramid, and save this project. Yes, right. Okay. So guys, go on here, Octane, and use live viewer window and select this window, drag and drop on left side and render. Right. Okay. So yeah, better. Guys, I also change this decrease mid count. So go to displacement and mid level increase like 0.4. Yes, right. Okay. So guys, now I create texture for plane and create material. So open this material, go to node editor. Yes, and apply texture. That's my mountain texture. Drag and drop in node editor. Yes, right. Okay. So guys, now color. I take gradient color. This one gradient. Take gradient. Yes. And select this gradient. Guys, change color. I take dark blue color. Simple dark blue. And press OK. And second one, take dark purple. Yes. Yeah. And apply on diffuse. Yes. Okay. Guys, also change this material type. I take glossy. Yeah. And apply this texture. Bump map. Actually, that's my normal map. And bump map. And that's my roughness. And last one, displacement map. Yes. So guys, select this displacement, this one, and level of detail I take full. Guys, amount I take like 200. Yeah, better, right? Okay. So guys, select this material, apply on plane. Yes, right? And guys, change view angle. Select this plane and also change position like this. Simple. And guys, rotate like this. Yes. Yeah. Guys, now I change render size. So go to render setting and all size I take 1000 centimeter. Actually pixels. So close. Yeah. And little bit back. See, that's my view angle. And guys, select this plane and little bit down, little bit more. Yes, yeah, better. And rotate. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, my camera angle is good. Now I take camera and camera check. Yes, and guys, apply same material on cloner, this one. Yes, and create material for topo wire, my wire. So go to emission, black body emission, and texture, and use RGB spectrum. Guys, color, I take orange color. Right? So go to back and surface brightness check, double-sided check. Yes. So guys, select this material and copy, and now I change only color. Take second one, blue color. Yes. So guys, apply this material on topo wire, my wire, and this one blue material apply on all cylinder. Yes, right? It's really beautiful. Okay, so now guys, I apply 3D character model, and that's my 3D character model. Yeah, go to back here. See, right? Okay, so guys, uncheck camera and size change. Guys, go to chord and scale size. I take 0.1, 0.1, all 0.1. Yes, and go to up, closer. Yes, and up. Guys, this render take little bit time. Yeah, right. Okay, and rotate this 3D model, rotate. Yeah, and I go to camera and little bit back. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I apply lighting. So use area light. So I go to object and use area light. Yeah, and uncheck camera. And guys, select this light. Go on here. Simple, right side, and rotate. Rotate 90 degree. Yeah, and change guys also color. Color, I take blue color. So texture and RGB spectrum, and take blue color. Yes, and go to back. Guys, yeah, all is good. So select this light and one more, copy and go to here. Simple. Yes, right? Okay, so now guys, take one more light, last one, and that's light on top. Yes, right? Okay, and change only color, this one, this light, I take red color. Yes, and go to camera. Yeah, better. It's really good. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I create background. So use HDRI environment, click and go to here and apply texture. Guys, see, that's my sky texture, night view scene. Yes, and go to UV. Guys, I change scale size change. Yeah, and change position also. Yes, right, and little bit rotate. Simple. Yes, this is much better. Okay, so go to back, and guys, I also change this power, light power, take half, 0.5. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. Now camera angle set like this and go to back. more. Yes, and yeah. Okay, so guys, finally I go to here render setting. Actually, that's my camera tag, and post processing check, and like 20, and camera imager here, and camera imager check, like exposure 0.9 and gamma 0.9. Yes, and natural response check. Yeah, better. See guys, that's my beautiful render, right? Okay, now guys, you can apply also fog effect. So go to here Octane Sky and go to medium and take add fog, click and click on here, and density I take like 0.1. Yeah, that's it guys. That's my simple composition with using fog effect, right? Okay, so channel is good. Channel I take DL and go to here setting. Guys, GI mode I take this time diffuse, and guys you can take anyone like ambient occlusion and diffuse is depending on your work, and increase specular depth, all depth increase. That's it, right? Okay, so yeah, that's my final composition, and stop this rendering and go to here render. Yes guys, also change render setting, take Octane render and use all GPU check and press OK, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my simple composition with using Octane render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. And guys, you can download this project file from my website.